Okay. So first of all, for you to be a programmer, you need to think like a programmer. There are how programmers think. They think rational. Like when you are given a task to do, you'll be able to know when to sit down and take step by step thought on what you are asked to do. Then after that, you'll be able to start up with what you want to do. As a programmer, you don't just come and jump into a particular thing and start doing. You have to first of all bring that thing down, think about what that is, and how do I start? Are you getting my point now? So, I don't want you to rush into anything in the course of this uh, class. I don't want you to rush into anything. You need to just calm down, follow up. If you have any question anyway, then you can always indicate. Maybe you can raise your hand. There is a place you can raise a hand, and there are still the chat bar where you can type in your question if you have any question that you don't want to speak out. So you can always make sure that you ask your question whenever you are not comfortable with anything. So here are the basic things that we need to install in Python for us to start using it. First of all, we need to install the Python itself in our computer. So we can install Python.
Hello. Excuse me.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear
Yeah,
you.
please. What is this replit?
Okay, I'm coming to it.
Okay.
I'll,
Okay.
I'll talk about it. So we have Python itself.
Okay.
So Python itself is the main command that we need to install for us to be able to run a Python program in our computer. So this VS Code, Sublime Text, and Replit, all these are the environment where you can type your code, where you can do your more better for you to do. Whenever you don't have a network connection, you can always use that to do it. But this Replit is just a site. So it's going to be for those who are not able to install VS Code or Sublime Text that they can use. There are still other IDE, there are still other environments where you can do your work, where you can do your code. But these are the ones we are going to be basically be introducing to you. So we are going to go into installation of Python now. After that, we'll go to installation of VS Code for now. So anyone who wants to install Sublime Text, maybe we can still do it if you want to do it. So then anyone that you want to do, you can do that one. Then if you are not able to do anyone, you can use the Replit site to write your code. Okay, now let's dive into the installation process. First of all, we are going to be installing Python now. I believe that all of you are joining with your computers, because I would like everyone to be following up as we are doing it. Maybe you can be doing your own or together with
Yes.
what we are
Yes, we are.
doing. Yes.
Yes, we are. We are joining with our computer.
Okay. Now, first of all, just go open your Chrome browser, or you are using our Chrome browser. If you open your Chrome browser, just type in python.org. Python.org. Just type in python.org. So Python. So the link is there in the chat bar, so you can actually get it from there. You can actually see the link there if you cannot type it correctly. So this, when you open it, you're going to see this environment. So when you type python.org, you are going to be seeing this window. So this particular place is just, this site is just for Python. So what you need to do is scroll down, then you will get to this point where they have download. Are you there with me? Are you there with me? You can actually
Yes, I'm with you.
yeah, you can actually unmute yourself if you are not in a place that is noisy. Okay, are you seeing this window I'm seeing here? Are you seeing this page in your computer?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now navigate to this download.
We're still going down to where you said. Where is download there? Okay.
Yeah, just come down like this. You will see this download. Now click on the this latest version. Just use the latest version to download it. This Python 3.121. That is the latest version of Python. There are many versions of Python. There are 3.7, 3.11, and others.
121.
Click on that link. If you click on that link, it's going to be taking you to this page. Are you there with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can scroll down. Just go down to this place that you have files.
Yes.
Files.
Right there.
I hope all of you are following.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm following.
Now look at the versions of Python that are existing now. If you are using Windows, there are a Python that is designed for Windows. If you are using Mac, that is OS, then there are the ones that are designed for OS. So you can actually pick the one that your system version can carry. So if you're using Windows, I advise you to install this window installer 64-bit. This particular one, this 64-bit.
Yes.
Then if your system is too low, like your system is not, is the kind of one that doesn't have much strength like that, then you can go by this 32-bit. But I advise you to get the 64-bit installer. Just click on it. Just click on it. Then once you click on it, the thing will
Download.
Once you click on it, it will start downloading. If you go to your download history, you will see the Python downloading, just like my own is downloading now.
Use, okay.
So you will allow it to download completely. So while I hope are you all downloading the stuff?
I've downloaded.
Okay, downloaded already.
Yes, it's asking whether to use admin privilege when installing or add Python next to parts. So I don't know which one to pick.
I didn't get you.
There's a place is asking whether to use admin privileges when installing PYXE.
Okay, so what are the options there that they have?
We have an install now.
Yeah, just install.
Then customize installation.
Just install now.
Okay, but there are other two open buttons. One is use admin privileges. I should not tick any of them.
Wait, have you downloaded this Python like this? So did you open it from
Yes.
this place? Did you open it from here?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, I did.
still wait. Let's go through that part together. Since
Okay.
let's go through that part together. Have any have any other person been able to install to download the file? Please, if you are able to download the file, please just say something so that we know if we are carrying everyone along.
Yes, downloaded.
Okay.
Sorry, I have a question.
Okay. Is that Ella?
Yes.
Okay. What's
No, not Ella. So, and what if you are not making your source system immediately? How do you do that? Because I wasn't hearing what we are saying there.
Okay. That is how we got to the point of installing and downloading the Python, right? Okay, what we did is what we did is we typed python.org, just this address that you are seeing here in my screen. Yeah. Then if you type in this in your Chrome browser, you are going to see this page. Do you get it now? Then you can scroll down some more and you will see this download part here.
Yes.
Then click on Python 3.112. That is the latest version for now. When you click on that, you are going to see this page. It will take you to this page now. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, now you can scroll down to these points that they have files.
Yes, I'm following.
Okay, are you using Windows or Mac?
Windows.
Okay, now navigate to this particular one, this window installer 64 bits. Just click on it and you will check your history here. It will be downloading from here, just like my own.
Okay.
Okay. Have you started downloading now? Okay.
Yes.
So if you are done downloading it, we can open it from here, or we can actually open the folder where the thing is and double click to start installing. We double click to start installing. Now we'll see, just install now. Don't customize anything, just install now. Now it will ask you, do you want to allow this to make changes? Just say yes and continue. So this is the installation. So you allow it to install completely. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Emma, can you guys hear me now?
Okay.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
So so if your own is installing, we can actually allow this to be installing on the background. Let's go back to the Chrome and do other installation.
Emma, I want to add something to what you are saying. Can you guys hear me?
Okay.
Okay, now, what I want to add is based on system usement. Some of us here, we have what we call 32 bits, which system call it 86, while we have 64 bits. So while trying to download, make sure you know the actual configuration of your system. Because if you download the 64 that is working in a mass phone, it may not work in your own if you are using 32 bits, which is 68. Are you with me? So go to your system property, confirm the actual bit that your system is using to enable you to download the correct one. Are you with me?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just show you how you can check if you have the capacity, if your system capacity can take the 64 bits and if it can take 32. Just come to your search bar, go to your search bar and check your system. Just type processor or there and open the system and check what you have. So like my own now, my system type is having 64-bit operating system. So just check if your own is up to 64-bit, then you can download the 64-bit. If it is not up to 64-bit, you can download the 32. All of them are going to work well for you. Yeah, all of them are going to work well. So check your system capacity and download the one that will fit your system. So just by coming here to type your processor, and you will view your processor information. So have anybody been able to install completely?
Yes, setup was successful.
Okay, setup was successful. Okay,
Yes.
now we can close the tab. Python is already installed
Okay.
in our computer.
Okay.
You can close the tab. Okay, now let's also go through installing VS Code. The same is still in your Google. Just type this code.visualstudio.com/download. I'm going to be pasting the link to the chat so that you can from there see the link. Just get this. So the link is there in the chat bar. You can get the link there. So are you in this screen?
Yes, we are working on that.
Okay.
Typing
When you get to this screen, just let me know.
in.
Just drop a comment.
Studio. Studio.com.
So is anyone here?
Yes. Let me see.
Okay. So if you are here, the same thing that we did there. If you are using Windows, you are seeing for Windows. So is any of you using something below Windows 10?
No.
Is anyone using something below Windows 10 and the person is joining this class?
No, Windows 10.
So you say below window what?
Windows 10.
Windows 10.
Yes.
Okay.
So we can click on download.
No.
Okay.
Okay, if you are there, you also have we also have this here. You can just click on Windows parts.
Okay. Okay.
Then if you are not having anyone, if you don't have Windows, if your window is below 10, just start from afresh and type VS Code download. VS Code download. Just this VS Code download. If you are using something less than Windows 10, just type VS Code download and follow this link. You will get to that page and it's going to give you the ones that your window can take. Then if you are there, you can click on the Windows on. If you are using Windows, if you are using Mac, you click on Mac. So once you click on Windows, if you are using Windows or you click on Mac, it will automatically start downloading. If you view your download history, you will see it downloading. So is there anyone's own downloading?
Yes.
Okay. So is there anyone that is having issue with downloading this now, or anyone that is confused about anything? Okay. If there's no one doing that, then we can forget. Okay, we can allow this to be running in the background while we do other things. It will be downloading in the background, because this will take some time, because VS Code is a very big software. It doesn't download as fast as that.
So my own has finished downloading.
Okay, that is fine. I have it in my system already, but we are doing this for the sake of everyone to. Okay, let's allow that to be downloading in the background while we do other things. Let's open another window, or we can actually be doing that in the same window that we are doing. If you want to open another window, you can do that. If you don't want to do that, you can just type, come here